Hey everybody out there, thank you so much for tuning back into Unplugged and Uncut. I am your girl, Shar'e, and I just want to say, don't miss out on everything that happened this week and this weekend for the Indiana Black Expo. It has been an amazing experience. Shout out to Nicole Rene, Fox 59's beauty style expert and fashion stylist. I have enjoyed every single second of the show. Major love and congratulations to you on all your success from the nuuVuu TV. And make sure you guys get on over to the nuuVuu TV page. Like our page so you can have your chance to win one of these headphones that's sponsored by my sponsor, S.O.S. Don't go anywhere, you don't want to miss it.
Brought to you by Remy Martin. This event was an exclusive invite only, with sneak peeks from international top design, filled with international models and some of the craziest designs you'll see to hit the runway, with plenty of A-list stars. Meet some of the world's most famous and favorite models. Had the chance to catch up with some fellow runway friends, snag pictures, and cozied on down front row and center. One after one, these bombshells ripped the runway to pieces.
Hey everybody out there, thank you so much for tuning back in on Unplugged and Uncut. I am your host, Shar'e, and I am downtown at the one and only Icon Lounge located at 148 East Market Street, and I am here celebrating the Passion for Fashion Week with your favorite Fox 59 stylist, Nicole Rene. Good to see you, sweetheart. How you doing?
Great. Thank you so much for coming out.
Definitely. You have some amazing things going on. I loved your fashion line. I mean, the models look amazing in the clothes that she styled in. I freaking love it. You are so amazing. Go ahead and tell the fans out there where they can find you at.
Yes. So if you actually go on Facebook, the Passion for Fashion Week, it's Passion, the number 4, Fashion Week. You can find everything that's going on. Tomorrow we are at Castleton Square Mall inside Perfect Pick by Ebony. Tomorrow, and actually Wednesday, if you go back inside Castleton Square Mall, it's again at Footprints Boutique. Thursday is Runway Diva. Friday is going to be at Lafayette Square Mall with 28 Boutique and That For Nothing. And then Saturday is the IBE Fashion Show. But if you go to fox59.com or tune in every day for the rest of the week, check me out 9:10, 9:15 a.m. and you'll hear all about it.
All right, you guys, you've heard it exclusively here first. You get on over there to nuuVuu TV, like our page, get on over to our website, because that's where I'm going to be bringing you all the latest in fashion from Passion for Fashion Week with Nicole Rene. All right, you guys, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss it.
This episode is brought to you by Lashes by Shar'e. Get lavish.
Are you ready?
Tired of hiding your face? Unleash that lavish beast. Don't hide those lashes, ladies. Let them be lavish out loud. Say goodbye to those old lashes. Competition? Never heard of them.
Lashes by Shar'e. Are you ready?
Relax. Don't think about it. Schedule your beauty appointment today. Go from chic to critiqued. Oh yeah. Fall in love when you get lashed by Shar'e. Lashes by Shar'e.
Are you ready? Thank you so much for tuning back in on Unplugged and Uncut. I am your host, Shar'e, and I'm down here at 148 East Market Street at the one and only Icon Lounge. We're here celebrating the Black Expo celebration, starting with Passion for Fashion Week, and I'm here with international fashion designer, the one and only Nikki Blaine. All right, you guys, go ahead and tell everybody out there where they can find you out. When do you have another show coming up? I know we can see to expect you on the runway again sometime this week.
Well, actually, sadly, I will not be attending.
No.
My clothing will not be attending, but I will be in presence.
Okay.
I'm on the fashion show committee.
Okay,
So it's all about, empowering other designers as well, because we need to build a community.
Nice.
So that's what I'm focusing on this week. But you can reach me at NikkiBlaine.com. I am located at 99 North 1st Street, Zionsville, Indiana, 46077. Call me at 1-877-4-NIKKI-B. If you want that extraordinary look, one of a kind, I'm your girl.
You are definitely the it lady. I love watching you. Your fashions are simply amazing, and I'm super excited to see what you all have coming up. Good luck in your endeavors. I know we have some really good things coming up on the runways coming up. Make sure you guys get on over to the nuuVuu TV website and our page, like our page, and tell a friend to stay tuned because it's going down.
I hung out backstage with some of the world's most famous and favorite international models and top fashion designers were backstage getting ready to hit the runway in some of the most exquisite pieces that you'll ever see to grace the runway. From Grunge Couture by Erica Lee to some of the most exclusive pieces you'll see from Nikki Blaine, these international models definitely ripped the runway and made these fashion stylist dreams come to life. From the models to the stars, this was a definite must-see. One by one, these models rock some of the hottest fashion in the industry. From colorful and flowy with just enough jazz to dressed down and comfortable. Nothing left to say, but they came to slay. And that's exactly what they did. From my wild and crazy time backstage to being front and center right beside the runway. This was the big bang that ended the Indiana Black Expo 2018 explosion. All the reaction and excitement from the crowd simply said it all. The entire evening was filled with suspense and excitement. America can definitely see why the Indiana Black Expo continuously entrusts Nicole Rene, Fox 59 style expert, and her amazing team with the Indiana Black Expo fashion show explosion. Year after year, these fashion designers display exactly why they deserve a spot in the limelight. This year's fashion show went so amazing, I cannot wait to see what's lined up for the year 2019. I am logging out for the evening, but before I do, I'm leaving you some exclusive footages from some pics that was taken by my good pal, JL the Creator. You've been tuned in on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I am your host, Sounds of Shar'e. Congratulations to these two beauties who were two lucky winners of the Boost Mobile giveaway. Stay up to date by joining us on Facebook at nuuVuu TV and at www.nuuVuutv.com. Do you have a show topic idea, or would you like your music or music videos submitted? Get on over to the information on the screen below.